Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and I am back with another haul wherein I have bought some amazing products. Gonna be skincare, hair care and makeup. It is gonna be a very quick video, very short one, and without further ado, we are quickly gonna dive in. So guys, the first product in today's video, I am gonna be talking about this serum. Now the packaging is beautiful. It is something to die for, okay? Now this is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. I have used it. Now this is gonna be 3-in-1 serum. You can use it overnight as an oil treatment. Also, if your hair gets frizzy, you come out shower, when you have washed your hair, just apply a little bit and it is gonna give you beautiful glossy hair. Now I have used certain serums in the past as well, but I have used it thrice and it is working great for my frizzy hair, guys. The packaging is something so lovely. So yes, it retails for 359 rupees on there. So yes, this was the first product which I got for myself. Next up guys, I got the shampoo. Now I don't know for what reasons my hair is getting a lot of frizz in winters. Don't know why, but yes, for those reasons I ordered this TRESemme Keratin Smooth Shampoo. Now I have also used this one in the past. It smells amazing, helps in making your hair all strong and beautiful. It is infused with keratin, which helps in making your hair all lovely. Your hair is made of keratin, and when something is infused in your hair of that sort from outside, it is definitely gonna make your hair look better. Now the next thing which I'm gonna be showing you here is this pack of 4 Santoor Aloe Fresh. Now, so yes, I got these beauty bars and they smell amazing and they are very affordable as well. They were really nice to me. So this is gonna be their Aloe Fresh, which has aloe vera and lime. It is winters. I do not like a soap bar which helps in, you know, making my skin all dehydrated. So yes, I love these ones. Also guys, I saved the best product for the last, and this is gonna be a makeup product. I have got myself this Maybelline Sensational liquid matte lipstick in the color More Than Red. Now I was expecting it to be a different color, but I'm really liking the consistency of it and how it looks on my lips. I'm wearing it right now. Yes, it is complementing my complexion. The formula is amazing. Also, it is very affordable. I got this for like 240 rupees if I'm not wrong. You're gonna find a wide variety of shades in this one. So yes, it is very comfortable. It is gonna be really good for your lips for 4 to 5 hours. Doesn't dry out your lips. I like the formula, and I have a lot of color from this range which are mostly new, so I wanted to try out something new this time, so I got myself a red lipstick. So guys, these are all the products I want to show you in today's haul. I really hope that you find the video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna give all the products link in the description box below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.